I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're facing a login error on the Discord app, follow these steps to get back online. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Step 2. Update the Discord app. Ensure you have the latest version of the Discord app installed. Go to your app store and check for updates. Step 3. Clear app cache. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, Discord, Storage and tap on Clear Cache. This can resolve many login issues. Step 4. Check server status. Visit Discord's status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If all else fails, uninstall and then reinstall the Discord app. This can fix corrupted files that may be causing the login error. I hope these steps help you resolve your login issue quickly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.